All right, they are insulating this over here, which is if this we're still in the shop, and I think this is R19 looks like, and that's what Jeff said they were going to do. So yeah, that's good. I mean, have a little bit of sound barrier and soundproof. Oh, yeah, here's a okay. There's a light, and okay, they put a light. It's centered light there, and unfinished. Okay, you got the duct work there. That's fine. I have to deal with. It's gonna be unfinished. There's another light, and this is probably gonna be a bathroom right in here because there's my my Y. So I gotta have it's gonna be probably 2 steps to get up to the bathroom here. Step because you gotta have the toilet level off, come over out this way or go straight back over here, and then the bathroom will be in here. I mean, you can make a good size bathroom, come all the way out to here. This wall here, just extend this wall right here on over. Here you have a pretty good, what is that? 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 feet. Have the, you could even have another, if you just want to separate the toilet back here. You have whatever, vanity and all in here. Whole separate bathroom. Hot and cold water sitting up here. Oh, they're getting it all. Okay, they're doing, ooh, I got hot. I had the big boys in there. Oh, they're getting them all. Actually naming them. How about that? These guys are good. Don't touch that. There's no way in the hell they're hot, but you never know. All right, look at that. Look at that, how he did that. He took a piece of wire, and he slipped it up on there. That's pretty good. They label them really good. I've never seen it done. They kind of slip on there and they cut it loose here. Cut it loose there. And see, there's a washer and the dishwasher, washer. What does that say? I mean, these guys are good. Got some good subs. Got all the wires down here. I mean, I got a big old panel to put anything I want down here in the shop. It's okay. And here's all the control wires for the thermostats, I suppose. What is all of this? Surely not. Is this phone? That's phone wire. Go over here on this side. See better. Phone. I can't. Come on, camera. Is that phone wire? Hey, can y'all read that? Can't read. It's labeled. Bottom of label. If I stopped moving around so much, the thing would focus. Read that. Basement. So, I don't know, this like phone wire, communication cable, everything right in here. All coming to right here. Alrighty then. Alright. Looking good here. Let me see, this is the supply here. Extra right here. Sheetrock's gonna hold it all up there. This is gonna be kind of a dead room here. Dead space. You could cut into it and use it for something if you want. I guess you have that big old duct right there. That looks like phone wire there. What? What is that? No, that's thermostat wire. That's thermostat wire. What am I talking about? Phone wire. That's thermostat. It's going to be right there. That thermostat should have five wars. I ain't gonna make it rough on the sheetrock guys to go right there. Just go over that. And put about 4 or 5 more screws in there. I'm like, what the heck, guys? Jeez. Yeah, sheetrock right over that sucker. Alright. Anything else back here, guys? There's a little fan. There's little insulations everywhere. And there's the plumbing. And you got your no return there. Or supply, no return back here. That's, you got a big old room here. But if it gets too warm in here, Connie, I can always take this duct, and it would be a real special pipe that would come off the side of this. A real special thing, like a 14 with 6 coming out the side that I could tie in right here. So you see where that's at, Wayne? Because they're going to sheet rock around that puppy. So that's where you'd be cutting down right there, real low. Because if this laundry room's too warm, I can cut in right here and have it return right here. Right there. And it would be real simple. There's your supply. But it's a lot cooler down here. So might have not needed that return, but better safe than sorry, because it would have been a big ordeal after the fact. Sheetrock and insulation. So bedroom window. This is kind of neat. This, I know it's kind of have a little. I'm curious to see how they're going to finish this. They have to probably level it up. Let's not level it out and put probably a big old wide board there. They had to put this continuous wall out to even it up to this point here, and then it doesn't matter when you come over here. So got her looking good. There's a main cable coming in. A big old puppy there. So anyway. Kitchen. Why don't they still? Where's the little test thing at? I want to see that tester. Their test gauge that I was making fun of. They didn't quite pass last time. Anyway, I think they are all done with their tests. Alright. We're looking good, I think. I think we're making progress. Alrighty. There's steps. Pretty good. I mean, plenty of headroom. Ain't gonna hit your head there. So these steps are pretty well, this is pretty well the finished product with carpet going over it. So ain't quite got it's still a little woggly there. Woggly. I mean, come on, guys. A little woggly. Alright.